in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is their Undetectable Invisible Lace Middle Part 13x4 Straight Bob Wig, and I got her in 16 inches. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Let's get into the install.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I did it more, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You got potential. I can't.
So before I install the unit, I actually wanted to show you guys what I use to take care of my hair and scalp while my hair is in a protective style and under these units. So if you've watched a few of my previous videos, then I've been saying how my hair has been straightened within the last month or so, and I feel like my units have been fitting a little bit better. As much as I like my hair straightened, that's not really realistic for me because I don't really put a lot of heat on my hair. So instead, most of the time my hair is either in 2-strand twist or they're in straight backs, aka cornrows. Today was wash day, so I decided to go ahead and do 8 straight backs. The 3 products that I love and live by are water, moisturizing cream, and also Jamaican black castor oil. Also, sorry about the lighting going in and out. Child. Like I said earlier, today was wash day, so I've already done this and taken care of this. But in about 2 more days, I'll redo these steps. Probably want to know what the steps are though, right? Yeah. First, I'll take a water bottle and I'll go in with that first and spray that all over my head just to hydrate my hair really. Then next, I'll go in with the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Now you can say what you want about Cantu. I personally like them. They haven't done any damage to my hair, so I'm going to continue to use it. But then lastly, I'll seal all of that moisture in with a Jamaican black castor oil. I typically like to use the one in the black bottle. I can't think of the name, but it says Jamaican black castor oil on it. But currently I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil. How many times have I said Jamaican black castor oil? I just found this one at TJ Maxx, no, Marshall's, and it's Jamaican black castor oil with lavender in it. I don't know, but it's working. It gets the job done. So yeah, on my Instagram, a lot of people have been asking lately, how did I get my hair so long? How am I growing out my hair? And honestly, these things and wearing my hair in protective styles with these units have helped me out quite a bit. So anyways, let's go ahead and install the unit for real for this time.
Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Instead of sleeping with a pistol in my bed, I'd rather do this instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down. Right now. Yeah. Don't let me down. Come here right now. Grow up and face it. Don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me.
If anyone ever tried to tell me that this isn't my hair, I would tell them that they are a liar and that they're a hater. Okay, so let's talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Again, this is their Undetectable Invisible Lace Middle Part 13x4 Straight Bob Wig. The cap construction comes with 4 combs in total, 1 being in the very back, the other 3 being in the very front, with one of those 3 being in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps, a security band, and a 13x4 parting space. The claims according to the website says that this unit is 100% human hair, can last more than 1 year, is 150% density, comes with a natural black color, can be dyed because again it is 100% human hair, comes in a middle part, comes with Swiss medium brown lace, and the circumference is 22.5 inches, which is their standard medium. So when I first took this unit out of the package, I was kind of like, this unit is going to be a little bit too thin for my liking. But once I put her on, I realized that I was completely wrong. You would think by now that I would have learned my lesson and known that LuvMe hair is very rarely going to let me down, but I always doubt them and they always prove me wrong. The density is a very natural density for the texture and length of this unit. Speaking of the texture of this unit, it doesn't say online what type of hair this is. It just says that it's 100% virgin hair from one donor, but just know the texture is very silky. Also, speaking of the length of this unit, earlier I did say that I received her in 16 inches, but just know that she only comes in 16 inches. Everything that is claimed on the website, I would agree with 1000%. Even the 22.5 inches worth of circumference for their medium standard caps. If you watch any of my other videos, then you would know that I always joke about how I have a big head. For me to be able to adjust the straps on this unit, and I put them pretty close together and still have some room in this unit, says a lot. She's definitely big head friendly, but the reason why I went ahead and adjusted those straps is because this unit, like I showed you earlier, is 100% glueless. Now earlier I showed you, or if not earlier, then I'm going to show you right now, that this unit has no glue, no spray, no nothing holding it down. I went in with 2 bobby pins on each side of my head and I placed them right here by my ear just so the ear tabs wouldn't flap up or anything like that. But come on now, for me to be able to adjust the straps to make this completely glueless and then just fold the ear tabs so they don't flap with some bobby pins, like, it just shows how low maintenance this unit really is. And to prove even more that she's low maintenance, this unit came straight out of the box. I didn't wash her, condition her, let her air dry like I typically do with all of my other units. I literally took her out of the box. I put some foundation on the inside of the cap because I do tend to wear black stocking caps underneath. I cut off the lace and then here we are. To make it even better, this unit does come styled for you in a middle part and I left her in a middle part. So I feel like that's saying a lot. If you don't know, well, now you're about to know. I'm not a huge middle part fan, but for me to keep this in a middle part and feel confident and sexy and beautiful, like I feel so sophisticated right now. Like this has instantly become my everyday wig, like no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Remember that this is a 13x4 parting space lace unit, so therefore you can part her on the left or right or do whatever you choose to do, but I'm actually going to leave her in a middle part. I don't know if y'all also paid attention to the fact that this unit did come pre-bleached. The knots came pre-bleached and also the hairline came pre-plucked. I can't lie, I was a little bit bummed about the fact that this unit did come with a pre-plucked hairline because I've been watching videos and I was ready to try my skills or whatnot, but no, they've already done it for you. This unit is so beginner friendly and I'm so here for it. I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit. All I can say is get her, you need her, and you can use my discount code. I'll pop it up here across the screen to save you some money when you do purchase her. Like I said earlier, this unit has instantly become my everyday unit because let's be real, I don't want to walk around with my straight backs looking a hot mess. Like, no ma'am, that's not cute. But it's also going to be able to protect my hair, so therefore it can continue to grow. But enough of me rambling about this unit. Like I said, you guys need her, you should get her. This is my favorite unit from LuvMe Hair. I know I say that all the time, but I really do think that this one is my favorite thus far. I hope the next one isn't my favorite. I'm gonna stop rambling now. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I'll pop up my coupon code one more time here across the screen. Don't forget to use her. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer.